Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we discuss handbags and reboxing and lifestyle. And today we are going to discuss the things that I really loved in the month of February, things that made my life easier. So before we get into this video, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. And one of the first things that I really loved in February were handbags. You guys know that's where I live. That's my spot. And the bag that I really used the most in February was this bag. It is the Studio Purse by Coach. I have a Quilted tabby. It's not the same. This one fits in terms of size between my 33 size Quilted tabby and my Rebel bag that I have over there. This one is a beautiful bag. It's got enough space where I can keep keys, sunglasses, almost everything that I'm used to carrying will fit in this bag. So you see it's got the pocket on the back. It's got this pocket, pretty sizable middle pocket, and this pocket also it extends accordion style. This was the bag for February. When I was wearing black, even when I was wearing solid colors, I was always reaching for it. When I wasn't reaching for that, you know, I'm just going to show it to you. You know what it is. The Clementine by the horse. This size really seemed to work for me because having to be out and about with it being so cold here in February, having to juggle hats and gloves and all that stuff, it was the perfect bag for what I needed. The Studio by Coach. Oh, plus with the strap, you see it is adjustable. You can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody. So, but yes, this was the bag of the month for February. It's on some of the resale sites. You can buy it for about $400. When I bought it years ago, I'm gonna look at my notes, guys, because you know I always have to have my notes. I bought it for about $450. They do have it on the Coach site right now, restored. They have it in cream and black, and the colors kind of circulate in and out because it's not a bag that's part of their current stock, but people are bringing them in and they're restoring them and selling them. So to buy it restored on the Coach site, you can get it for $5.95. They have this exact bag in the black on Poshmark, so I'll include the link. And on Poshmark, it's $400, and it's lightly loved. So yes, you too can have this beauty in your collection. In terms of beauty, the things that I loved in February was, you guys know, Black Honey by Clinique, and I think I had that in another video. This is a color, and it's a very natural color. It doesn't scream or shout. It's just chef's kiss for me. Goes on very smooth. It feels like it feels almost like a heavy gloss, but it's not sticky, and it's got the pigment. The color really lasts. So I love this. You can get this on Sephora. You can also get it on Amazon, so I'll include the links with that. Also for beauty, Danessa Myricks. And this is her blurring balm, and it comes in, the blurring balm comes in 12 shades. And one thing that I like about it, and I'll apply some to the back of my hand, is that when it goes on, it just smooths your complexion. So it's very lightweight, but it's buildable. So if you have any dark spots or imperfections on your skin, you can layer it, put some on, then put a little bit more on to cover. This blurring balm also works very well as a base or primer to other foundation. I have, oh my gosh, I think this is like my fourth. I just picked this one up over the weekend. You can put this on as a primer, put your other makeup on top of it, and you really do get that seamless satin skin look, and you don't see any imperfections. Your pores go away. It is amazing. They also have it in a from shade 1 to I think it ends in 12. But it is a good primer, or you can just use this as your skin. Today I'm wearing it just as my makeup. I didn't put on any other makeup on top of it. So yeah, you can see. So Danessa Myricks. Something that I've been doing for a while, but I really fell in love with it in February, was using press-on nails. February was a really busy month for me and my family. We had birthdays at the end of January that pushed some activities into February. We had my birthday in February, so you know, I like to celebrate all month. Pisces over here. So so we had a lot of things going on, and I did not have the time to go to a nail salon and sit for hours upon hours. So I use press-ons, and they really saved my hide in February. I was able to change the colors. One weekend I had the French tip, clear with the white French tip. Next weekend I put these on. I use the Kiss brand, and I'll include a link so you guys can see them. And they usually last for about a week to maybe 10 days. There's some people on TikTok can get these things to last almost a month, but I'm not trying to have them cemented on my nails. And I don't like the look of the whole grow out thing. That's not me. So I like to be able to, as soon as they start to grow out, or if I have an event or something, I can just easily just change. They're very easy to soak off. You can buy a gel that you can put on, just dip your nails for a little bit, and you can just pop them right on off. So yes, press on nails, girl's best friend. All right, so now that we've talked about beauty, clothes. What was I loving in February? I'm loving something I have on right now, a black blazer. And I'm going to move the camera back a little, and I'm going to step back as well so you all can see what I have on. I have on just a black blazer and blue jeans. And I usually put on a heel or a sneaker, and this outfit works almost everywhere. I can wear it if I'm going out for a casual dinner, if I'm going into work and I don't have client meetings, if I'm just going to the mall and I don't want to be wearing my sweats. A black blazer, white blouse with this, and jeans. Black blazer is a girl's best friend, I think. So I've been really getting a lot of use out of this one. I bought this blazer probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and the cost per wear, yeah, I worked this one out. It's just got the split in the back. I ended up buying another blazer. This is from Talbots. I have another one from Nine West, and with that one you have embroidery on the pocket. I have a polo Ralph Lauren blazer. So I'm a blazer girly. I have black that I rock all the time. I have blue. I have plaids. I have red, white. Because you put a blazer with anything and it automatically elevates your outfit. So blazers have been fantastic. So that was the clothing piece for February. Now, let's talk books and entertainment. And I'm going to share something with you that I saw another content creator have. It's this. The content planner. You guys, this book is amazing. As a content creator, I'm going to hold this up. You can fill out, and you use this as your planning sheet. So before you shoot your video, you have everything in order. For example, you have the title of your video, when you plan to upload it, what platforms you're going to upload it on. What are the things that you have to do to prepare for your video? Do you have to go out and buy something? Do you have to make something. So you have a to-do section. Then you have hashtags and keywords, links to include in your notes. So, and you see, I've got a lot written in here. As I've been planning my videos, I've been making sure that I have my pricing information in here. I've had my links in here. I've been referring to this a lot in the planning stages, and even when I'm shooting my videos, I may have this book close by so I can look at some of my notes that I have in here. But it is on Amazon. I think I know it was under $20. You guys, you may not need it. If you need, I'm telling you, it just really allows you to dump everything out of your head and put it on paper, so it's in an organized way. So when it's time for you to shoot your videos, you've got everything there. So, yes, content planner. This is out of everything that I'm going to show you guys, this has made the biggest difference for me. I post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, so it helps me to stay organized. All right, now let's talk about entertainment. A book that I read was called The House of Eve, and that book was absolutely amazing. There were times when I was listening to it. It's available on Amazon. You can buy it in paperback form, or you can download it on Audible or Kindle. I downloaded it on Audible and would listen to the book as I was going to the mall or driving around town or whenever. It would just be on and I would be listening to it. Or, you know, I'm a bubble bath girly, having it play while I was just kind of chilling in in the bathtub. So this book is about two black women who are going through some heartbreaking events in the 1950s and 1960s. And one is a 17-year-old girl. She becomes pregnant, and what is she going to do with the baby? 17, she's in Philadelphia living with relatives. What is she going to do? Then on the other hand, you have this couple, wealthy, predominant couple in Washington, D.C., that's childless. The wife cannot carry a baby. She keeps miscarrying. And you see how the lives of these two women, how their paths cross. And at times I had to pause myself, because it was like, oh my God, I could feel the hurt for both women and what they were going through. The book is called The House of Eve, and I will include the link. I cannot recall the author's name, but I will include the link so you guys can check that out. Last thing in terms of entertainment is a show called Paradise. Sterling K. Brown plays a FBI agent, no, a Secret Service agent. He is assigned to the President of the United States. There's a catastrophic event, and he has to support the president. Everybody is moved to a planned community in Colorado, and there's a murder, and people are trying to figure out who the killer is, and it's just a whole bunch of drama. And Sterling K. Brown, y'all, if you do not give that man another Emmy for this show, Sterling K. Brown, my man, he brings it every single time. And he did not miss, y'all. He did not miss. The cast is an amazing cast. There are a lot of famous faces. As soon as you see them, you'll go, oh, I know this person from here, or I know this person from here. But I'll include some information. It's on Hulu. Please watch it, because it is so good. So, yeah, those are the things that I was loving in February, things that saved me time, things that organized me, things that allowed me to get things done faster. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. I really appreciate, and I'm going to say this, I really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and commenting, because that means a lot to me. I'm a baby YouTuber and I'm learning how this works. And it just warms my heart to know that you guys really, like Sally Fields say, you like me, you really like me. Or at least you like my content. I'm hoping you like my content. But it really means a lot to me. So that's why, I continue to do this, because I enjoy it so much. And I hope that it's enjoyment for you as well. Oh, couldn't I get that out? So thank you for watching. Please click on like and subscribe, because that helps us to grow this channel. And click on the notifications bell, because that way you'll get pop-ups of when we are uploading videos. So until the next time, please take care of yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a fantastic day. Peace.